Elementary School Course Satisfaction Survey. Be sure to check the box next to your email. Choose what is your grade level. Then click Next. The first part is for which teacher you are completing this survey. You can choose the teacher. So if this is for Mrs. Noggle, that will be for Social Studies or Language Arts. And if it is for Mrs. Mudd, you will be doing the Math or Science survey. Choose which course you're completing it for. And then if you would like to, you can list your name below. The first part is all about effective teaching. So the following questions are based off of the Tripod Student Survey questions, the 7 C's focused, which are about care, confer, captivate, clarify, consolidate, challenge, classroom management. So please answer the questions as honestly as you can. Number 1. My teacher makes me feel that he or she really cares about me. Number 2. My teacher seems to know if something is bothering me. Number 3. My teacher really tries to understand how students feel about things. Next, my teacher makes me feel that he or she really cares about me. Oh, I have to answer these, hold on. Okay, there we go. The next one is, my teacher wants us to share our thoughts. My teacher gives us time to explain our ideas. And students speak up and share their ideas about classwork and assignments. I like the ways we learn in this class. The class does not keep my attention. I always get bored. My teacher makes learning enjoyable. My teacher makes learning interesting. If I don't understand something, my teacher explains it another way. My teacher knows when the class understands and when we do not. When he or she is teaching us, my teacher thinks we understand even when we do not. My teacher checks to make sure we understand what he or she is teaching us. My teacher has several good ways to explain each topic that we cover in this class. My teacher explains difficult things clearly. We get helpful feedback comments to let us know what we did wrong on assignments. The comments that I get on my work in this class help me understand how to improve. My teacher takes the time to summarize what we learn each day. My teacher asks questions to be sure we are following along when he or she is teaching. In this class, my teacher accepts nothing less than our full effort. My teacher does not let people give up when the work gets hard. My teacher wants us to use our thinking skills, not just memorize things. My teacher makes us explain our answers, why we think what we think. Student behavior in this class is under control. Student behavior in this class is a problem. Student behavior in this class makes the teacher angry. And students in this class treat the teacher and other students with respect. Our class stays busy and does not waste time. And students in this class encourage one another to do well. And then in the bottom box, you can provide any further comments regarding this course or teacher that you think would be of value in evaluating any future needs. Lastly, don't forget to click the Submit button to turn in your survey. Thank you for taking the time to do the survey.